A customer approached us looking to automate their welding process for stainless steel grates, and we got to work designing a solution that would not only handle the job, but do it with efficiency, safety, and speed. What we delivered is a high-throughput robotic welding cell built for continuous operation. The centerpiece of the system is a robot mounted on a 10-foot linear slider. This allows the robot to travel across the full length of the cell and access 6 jigs in total, 3 on each side. To keep operators safe and production flowing, we integrated a side-to-side moving welding curtain. This separates the 2 work zones, so while the robot is welding on one side, operators can unload finished parts and load raw ones on the other, without ever interfering with the process. This setup minimizes idle time, maximizes uptime, and keeps the workflow smooth.